So it actually uses cyclonic suction, so it's an actual vacuum. It's not just a sweeper. It's an actual vacuum. It's about 60 times more powerful.
Yes. Okay.
What other features does it have?
So it has the point and clean technology, which you can see right now. It follows our pointer over here. So if you have like an isolated mess, you can direct it over there to that, and it'll take care of it. It also has what's called visionary mapping. So what visionary mapping does is it has a camera right on the top of it. So with that camera, it reads the ceiling. It uses digital imaging to map out your ceiling. And so once it has mapped out your ceiling, once it uses that, it has sensors in the front as well, so the sensors so it reads, it doesn't get bumped into furniture, and all that kind of stuff, and it uses your ceiling to make sure that...
So I was going to go listen in on it.
Okay, yeah, absolutely.
So, I continue with them, and I'll ask you some questions.
No, it's okay. I mean, those
okay. I'm using this Roomba stuff. So what makes this, superior product?
Sure. So this is actually cyclonic suction. So this is a true vacuum. It's not just using a sweeper or anything like that. It is a true cyclonic suction. So it's about 60 times more powerful.
I mean, see, these things have gone through various. Are you manufacturing these yet, or these prototypes?
These have not been released yet.
Okay.
They will be releasing this year.
All right, so they've gone through various stages. The original ones had brushes, kind of like that one there, but the brushes didn't work for animals.
Right.
Because they got clogged up.
Yeah.
So the newest ones that came out last year are just rubber rollers with grooves in them, so that the hair doesn't get stuck.
Right.
Which made the difference of usable, not usable.
Yeah.
So does it dump itself?
It doesn't dump itself. It collects in this canister right there on top, that clear canister. Yeah. And that canister just lifts right up off the top, and you can dump it out manually.
I didn't find him when I found a bathroom.
Oh, well, I'm done here.
All right, let's move on. So what's this capable of, the remote?
I mean, all different types of things. You can do it in manual mode, you can do the point clean, put it in the automatic mode. That's spot, so you can just go around in a certain area, does sensors, set the clock on it, all different types of things.
And what did you press to get the red light?
The point cleaning, you just press and hold the point cleaning.
Oh, and a little red light comes on the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, and it'll just follow that.
Yeah.
Great.
So if you didn't want it to go into a certain room or something like that.
It's a virtual wall.
Yeah, so it'll block if it's going into certain areas.